Yes, you can.
What's your name?
My name is Anisha. And what is your name?
My name is Ifiza. What's your full name?
My full name is Anisha Dhanata. You can call me Anisha. And what is your full name?
My full name is Avisha Shanjevcha. What's your school name?
No, I didn't study in school. I study in madrasa. My madrasa's name is Tanjim Uluma Fihib Section Cox's Bazar branch. And what is your school name?
My school name is Shwetin Institute Cox's Bazar. What's your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is rose. And what is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is rose. What's your best quality?
My best honesty is my best quality.
What's your future plan?
My future plan is to be a teacher because I want to help the poor people. And what is your future plan?
My future plan is to be a doctor because I want to help the poor people. What do you do for fun?
I watch cartoon for fun. And sometimes I play with my auntie and my mom. What do you do for fun?
I watch cartoons for fun. Bye bye.
Bye bye.